In this video, I want to show you how to take notes in lectures and seminars for students. I'm not a student anymore, but I would use Roam for taking notes. I prefer taking notes digitally to taking notes on paper because A, I don't have to worry about losing my notes, B, I can easily search for a specific note, and C, I can easily find connections between my ideas and notes using tags and keywords. The notes-taking method I would use is a Cornell method. I think most people know this method because it's very popular and it's a great notes-taking method, but I think it can be even more powerful with Roam. The basic idea of Cornell note-taking is that you have a subject area, notes-taking area, keywords, question area, and summary area. These are pretty self-explanatory, but in the subject area, you write a topic of your lecture or seminar, and the notes area is where you write down things your lecturer said or showed you in their slides. Keywords and question area is where you write down important words that came up during the lecture. Also, you can write some recall questions that you can use for active recalling. Finally, you can summarize the lecture in the summary area, but you should write it in your own words, rather than copy and pasting the things from the notes section, because rephrasing really helps you understand ideas better. So if you implement this system in Roam, it looks like this. At the top, you have topic, the name of the lecturer, date, and keywords. Then you have notes, recall questions, and summary. And this is a note I made as an example. It's really straightforward and easy to implement. But I think you should keep in mind that you should try to write it in your own words as much as possible. And try to think about how what you're learning might be connected with other ideas you learned in different classes or what you read in the past. I recommend making a template for this because you don't want to type all of this every time you go to a lecture. To make a template, you can use tools like Textblaze, Text Expander, or Keyboard Maestro. If you're using Mac, Keyboard Maestro might be the best tool. If you choose to use Keyboard Maestro, you can simply download my template from the description of this video. If you use Textblaze, you can copy my snippet from the description.